What's up, you beautiful people? Bringing you the tempered glass lens and screen protectors for the Hero 8. The Hero 8 Black, and you have a lifetime warranty on this. And of course we have the safeguard the lens and touchscreen on your Hero 8 Black from scuffs and scratches. And includes 2 tempered glass lens protectors, 2 tempered glass screen protectors, microfiber cleaning cloth. And then here it has the installation of hair. Number 1, cleaning it off. Number 2, taking the tempered glass off. Number 3, and then number 4, we have the removal of the back piece, so you have the tempered glass in there perfectly. And then here, compatible with HERO8 Black 8. Let's go ahead and take this thing for a quick unboxing and see how we got. Nothing else, that's good. And just the 2 pieces of tempered glass and the microfiber. Take a look and see what we got. Now, if you do scratch your HERO Black 8, what's going to happen is that you're going to have to buy a whole new unit. They said at GoPro that it's actually more expensive to open this whole entire unit up and replace the front lens or anything like that, or the back. So that's the thing with this piece here, is you need to make sure that everything is good. Basically, you can't break this thing or anything like that. Otherwise, you have to buy a whole new unit. Let's go ahead and just do the quick installation. So we'll just take this piece off right here. That's that piece. Good old footage shot. And then here, number 1 just wants to take the microfiber. Pretty small piece of microfiber. Not really much of a glass one there, but then we'll have to take, so it looks like there's an extra microfiber or tempered glass for the unit. And then what we have here, they want us to do number 1, which is this backside piece here, and apply this piece just like so, but without the piece. So this would be the tempered glass installation part, just right there. So I'm kind of glad that they gave us 2. Very convenient. Let me get some more of this microfiber on there, and we'll go ahead and install this first piece here. That looks like a pretty good flush fit. The only thing about this fit thing is I just hope it doesn't gather any kind of dust, because there's a slight type of gap on the piece of the edge, but you know, it is what it is. And just to push that in there in place. And then just pull this piece off right here. Let's try to, we'll install this back piece on here too. Number 1 goes off first. let's put that back in there. Let's go with this piece here. It's kind of a stickier piece, but by all means. And there we go. That is our tempered glass. Doesn't add too much weight to it. It does feel like it's a little bit better that way. This one looks kind of weird, but it feels a lot more sleek, a lot more, I should say, feels more smoother than what it originally was. Anyways, guys, that was the tempered glass installation and unboxing what you get, and definitely recommend it if you do decide to get a HERO8 Black 8. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.